Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever struggled to get a salon-worthy blowout at home, especially with curly or wavy hair? Well, today we're taking a close look at the Conair Curl Collective 3-in-1 Blowout Kit, a versatile tool designed to help you achieve a polished blowout, enhance your natural curls, or completely transform your look with ease. The kit comes with 3 interchangeable brush attachments. First, there's the oval brush with nylon and epoxy-tipped bristles, perfect for adding smooth volume. Then we have a paddle brush with a vented cushion design to smooth hair and boost shine. And finally, a 1.5-inch thermal round brush with wavy bristles, ideal for more detailed styling. Conair has included ionic technology to reduce frizz and ceramic technology to minimize heat damage, so your hair stays healthy while you style. You also get 2 heat settings, plus a cool setting, with 1000 watts of power to style damp hair quickly or refresh between washes. When I put this blowout kit to the test, I focused on how easy it was to incorporate into my routine and how well it performed on wavy, curly, and even slightly coily hair. Switching between attachments was straightforward, and each brush offered a noticeable difference. The oval brush really delivered volume without flattening my waves, while the paddle brush added a healthy shine and smoothness. The thermal round brush gave precise styling for sections I wanted more control over. In practice, the frizz reduction worked as promised, and my hair felt softer than with some other hot air brushes I've tried. One thing to note is that it's best on damp hair. Dry hair styling can take a little more patience, especially with thicker curls. Now, let's talk about pros and cons. On the plus side, the kit is incredibly versatile, easy to use, and thoughtfully designed for curly hair. The heat and ionic technologies do help minimize damage, and the different brush shapes genuinely allow for multiple styling options. On the downside, it can feel a bit bulky for tighter curls, and longer hair may require extra time to style fully. In terms of value, this blowout kit sits in the mid-range price point, but considering it gives you 3 brushes in one and includes heat protective technologies, I'd say it's justified. For comparison, standalone hot air brushes or single-function tools often cost nearly as much, but with less versatility. So this kit brings a lot of styling options into one package. The build quality is solid, with brushes that feel durable and a handle that's comfortable for extended use. Conair has a strong reputation for reliable hair tools, and while I haven't had to contact customer service directly, their support is generally responsive if needed. If budget is a concern, there are simpler single-function hot air brushes available, but none give the same combination of volume, shine, and detailed styling in one kit. For those who want a comprehensive solution for curly or wavy hair at home, this kit is a strong contender. Overall, the Conair Curl Collective 3-in-1 Blowout Kit hits a sweet spot between functionality and ease of use. It reduces frizz, protects hair from heat damage, and gives multiple styling options. If you're looking for a versatile tool to elevate your home styling routine, whether you want smooth volume, polished shine, or precise curls, this kit is well worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried this blowout kit, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. The link to purchase can be found in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.